Ralph, charges in this case were filed in 2 counties. The suspect I'm going to talk about was allegedly involved with 2 other suspects in the kidnapping and robbery of 2 college baseball players. 21-year-old Shamari Hyacia Jackson of Woodmont Circle in Lincolnton was arrested Monday by Lincoln County Sheriff's officers. She's charged with felony counts of possession of a stolen vehicle and possession of a stolen firearm. Jackson was charged in connection to a robbery and kidnapping that occurred in Belmont Monday night. According to the Sheriff's office, Jackson was in possession of a 2011 Lexus with Colorado license plates stolen from 2 Belmont Abbey College baseball players. The victims lived at a residence in Belmont and were forced at gunpoint to get into the vehicle. The suspects then reportedly drove to the 2900 block of Gastonia Highway in Lincoln County, where they dropped the students off without injury. The suspects, 23-year-old DeMarcus D. Dixon and 21-year-old Notori Dewan Benton, both of Charlotte, then fled the scene. After officers interviewed the victims, the stolen vehicle was found in the 700 block of East Pine Street in Lincolnton. The vehicle was impounded and was to be processed by Belmont police. Deputies recovered cash, electronic equipment, and a shotgun stolen in the robbery. The victims were then transported back to Belmont, where they were interviewed by Belmont police. The 2 suspects, Benton and Dixon, were charged by Belmont police with 2 counts each of kidnapping and armed robbery, and 1 count each of possession of a stolen firearm, possession of a firearm by a felon, and possession of a stolen motor vehicle. The men were arrested Tuesday, and they were placed in the Gaston County Jail under a $1.5 million bond apiece. Jackson was taken before a Lincoln County magistrate and placed in the Harvin A. Krause Detention Center in Lincolnton under $30,000 secured bond. Her next district court date is scheduled for October 1st. Reporting for WHKY-TV News, I'm Rob Eastwood. Back to you.